Hey guys, Coach 𝐿 here. In today's video, I want to talk about what is affiliate marketing and how you can make money from home with affiliate marketing. So, the simplest way to explain affiliate marketing is to understand that it's simply a referral. Let me explain. Your girlfriend calls you and is like, hey girl, I want, some calamari. What's the best place where you get calamari? And you might recommend to her like the Bonefish Grill. I don't know where you get calamari from, wherever, right? That's not the best place to get calamari, but I'm gonna use that as an example. You didn't make no coins from telling this girl to go to Bonefish Grill. That restaurant gonna make money. You don't make any coins. But when you become an affiliate with an affiliate marketer, you sign up to join an affiliate program of a company, okay? They give you a link or a website, and anytime you make a referral to that company and somebody purchases from that company, you get a commission. So for example, Walmart has an affiliate program. Imagine every time you told somebody to go buy something at Walmart, you said, oh, wait a minute, buy through my link. You make a commission. Okay? Amazon has a referral program. Affiliate marketing is not new. It's been around for forever, right? And companies have realized how wonderful affiliate marketing is and how important it is for people to refer other people. And they're like, you know what? We'll pass along some of that money to the person who made the referral. That's what affiliate marketing is at its core. Okay? So when you decide to become an affiliate for a company and you're going to refer that product or market that product or whatever, you want to pick a product that people already want, that's in demand. You want to pick a product where they're going to pay you good commissions, right? And ideally, just my advice, you want to pick a product that you could actually learn from. If you're gonna promote and refer other people to it, right? You should be the first customer. Okay? So for me, as an affiliate marketer, I promote mostly training product platforms, things that I can dig in, learn from, and feel comfortable sharing it with other people who want to learn from that product and also make good commissions as well. So that's all affiliate marketing is really referring. You get a website and a link, and now that link, anytime somebody purchases through your link or your website, your store, whatever you want to call it, you make a commission. All right? Now, the thing is, it's not enough to just join affiliate programs. That's where most beginners get stuck. That's where a lot of people get stuck. They just join affiliate programs, affiliate opportunities, and things like that. Once you join, you have to do the work of promoting and marketing that affiliate link, or you're not going to make commissions. And you have to do it consistently. When you first start putting your link out there, most people are not going to know what you're talking about. And that's with anything. I don't care if you're at Amazon. A lot of people blame the affiliate programs. The affiliate programs is not the issue. It's your marketing and your consistency of your marketing. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're promoting Amazon, Walmart, a work from home opportunity. You have to know how to market that link, right? And how to do it consistently, right? But affiliate marketing is not hard. It's actually pretty simple, right? So for me, I put out simple pieces of content. Simple things like simple videos, okay? And those videos brings me leads and sales. Your marketing could be that simple if you choose to make it that simple. And, over time, you can build a consistent income, all right? Now, if you want to learn how to do that, you want to learn, okay, Shen, I want to learn the skill set of affiliate marketing. I would like to build over the next 90 days a consistent income from home leveraging affiliate marketing, where all I need to do, I don't need to have a closet full of stuff. I don't need to go drop stuff off to people. I can promote digital products, and anywhere I have a phone, a computer, I can sit on my porch and I can do that marketing thing, right? I want to learn how to do that. All right? If that's you, what I want you to do is enter your best email. The information is beneath this video. Go ahead, look at the information, watch your full presentation. If you have any questions, reach out, position yourself accordingly, get started, okay? And smash that subscribe button. I just wanted to explain what affiliate marketing is. It's not complicated, it's simple. If you're going to refer people to things, refer people to things that you can learn a skill set from that can create you even more money. I talk about that in some other videos. You know, be an affiliate of something that's going to pay you good money. Be an affiliate of things that you believe in, that is not some trash and it's not some money matrix, or it's not some, you know, fly by night thing just because you saw somebody tell you can make $30,000, right? Or whatever, right? That's it. The skill sets of marketing is where the money is. So learn that, and that's what the product is in the Affinity Processing System. So that's it. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.